Assalamualaikum viewers, this is Engineer Khaliqur Rahman and welcome to my channel CVC. Viewers, today we are going to study about the filters in Primaver page 6. So let's start our video. Filters, in this lecture we are studying what is filters, what are their use, what is their importance, and what is their functionality in the Primaver P6 planning. So filter, basically it is defined by its word, its meaning, that filter. If you want to filter some sort of data that you want to acquire, you want to check, you want to observe under the project, and it is in the form of the activities, what sort of activities you want to check and what you want to observe or you want to monitor under specified period of time. In a month it will be a customized date, it will be a specific activities by name, it will be under a block. Suppose we are working on two blocks. If you want to check the work of the block A, then you can select it by filter. If you want to check the critical activity, if you want to check the activities that are in progress, if you want to check the activities that are not yet started, if you want to check the activities that have total float 0. So there are numerous filters. Basically filter is used for the sorting any activity or specific characteristics or specific work in WBS or in a specific duration or in a month or any limit that we are specified within the range. So we can also define our own filter. Suppose if we want to check the activities that involve the concrete, that is under the concrete, then we can make our own filter for that concrete and we sort out all the activities under that filter. So without any delay, let's start. This, you can see the icon of the filter, and you can also go to view and filter by. You can click on the filter by. So this is the filters predefined. If we want to check the activities that are completed, then click on the completed and apply it. You can see that no activity is completed because the activities is not started or in progress. So we are not able to see any activity that is finished because no activity is finished or we update it as a finish. So there is no activity that is finished. If we want to check the critical activity, apply, then all the activities that are critical will be shown on the window. You can see that. Okay, here the gray structure of block A, the finishing work of the block A that are not critical, the activity will disappear, but the WBS is shown on the screen. If you want that this also will disappear, then go to view, group and sort, and hide, click on the hide if empty and apply, and you can see that the empty WBS will disappear from the screen. Unhide it, apply, okay, again go to filters, and now there are no constraints in this project, so apply it. You can see that there will be no as such activity that have constraint will appear. So the activity in progress is also no activity is in progress, as we not update it. Start the updating of the activities, as you can see that. So the activity with longest path, click on apply, the activities which have the longest path will appear on the screen, and similar that the activity that are not critical, if you want to check the activity that are not critical, click on apply, and the activity that are not critical will appear. You can see that the green bars that are non-critical activities. So the activity that is not started, it means all the activity will be shown because no activity is started yet. So you can see that on the screen all the activities will appear on the screen as no activity is yet started. Okay, this is all about the predefined filters. If we want to make our own filter, then you can add a new filter. Click on the new. Here you can define the filter. Suppose we want to check the work 2 weeks ahead. look ahead filter and click early start. Is within the range of the value will be DD, earliest data date. It means that the date up till which the progress is being updated is a data date line, and the highest value will be DD plus 14 day. So that filter explain us that all the activities that start early start is after the DD, and within the range of all the activities early start is within the range of DD plus 14 days. DD plus 14 days, that all the activities that started within the range of 14 days of DD plus DD, that will be shown on the window. You can see that all the activities that are within the range of 14 days of the start date, that is of 16 September, is within that range. So if we want to modify it and we want to know that all the activities that are started after DD in 24 days and also finish in 14 days, so add another filter over here. Early finish is within the range of DD, and the filter is DD plus 14 day. So okay, apply it. So you can see that the finish date, that is the finish date, that is also within the range. That 16 plus 14 days is equal to 30th September, and that is within the range of that. This is 28 days last finishing date, that is within that range of 30th September. So if we want to check the activities that are going to be start and finish in October, so you can apply another filter at, you can check the filter as October work. Filter by the name of October work, okay, where the early start is in the range of here. You can enter the custom date 1st October, select, and here also the custom date 31st October. Okay, add another filter. Early finish is within the range of, here again the custom date 1st October, select it, and also the custom date over here, that is of 31st October. Okay, okay, apply it. Okay, you can see that all the activities that are started and completed within the October will be shown on the screen. That is the 30th, last finish date is October, and start date is the 4th October. So this is the October filter. Okay, another filter, if we want to check the activities that are under the complete, click on the complete is under, okay, click on OK. Complete. apply it. You can see that all the activities that are under complete will appear on the screen. So if we want to check the activities that involves the finishing work, new, finishing work. So here you can select the finishing work under OK, apply, and you can see that all the activities that involve the finishing work will be appeared on the screen. Okay, if you want to see the activities that involve some specific word, suppose all the activities that involve the word fixing, that have the action of fixing will appear on the screen, then you can also apply a filter like that. IXING, fixing activities. If you want to check the activities that involve the fixing process, then you can select the activity name is equals to contains FIXING, fixing. Okay, click on apply, and you can see that the activities that involve the word fixing will appear on the screen. So this is the filter. You can also add multiple filters according to your requirement. So if you want to check the more than one filter at a time, suppose you want to check the finishing work plus the activities that also involve the concrete. So if you want to check the both activities, then you can see that here the option is selected is all selected filter. Then you have to click on the any selected filter. If you want to check multiple filter or apply multiple filter at a time, then you will select, it is necessary, you will select any selected filter. If you will not select, suppose if you don't change it and you will select over here the concrete and the fixing, then apply, then there will be no filter appear. So if you select it any, then apply, then these two both filters will appear on the screen. You can see that concrete filter and also the fixing. So this is the end of the filters. You can define your own filters according to your requirement, according to the requirement of the project, according to the requirement of the administration or site. So this is all about the filters lecture, and shortly coming back with the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.